You can turn any motion photo on your OnePlus 15 into an animated GIF. And to do that, simply go to your gallery and pick that motion photo. For instance, if I pick this, you can see this is a motion photo complete with sound. Okay, so if you tap on the three dots in the top right corner, you can actually see there's an option to save as GIF. So tap on that, and it's gonna open up the GIF creator. Now from here, you can crop this GIF. You can adjust the speed, okay, at which the frames move. You can also change the direction. So for instance, you can play that GIF backwards or backwards and forwards in sort of a boomerang fashion. And once you finish editing all those, tap on done, and then now you're ready to save your GIF. Now choose the resolution at which you want to save it. I'm gonna go for ultra high and tap on save. And that's gonna save that picture as a GIF, just like that. From a motion photo into a GIF. Now you can share this on any GIF website. Thanks for watching and good luck.